Yo, so I'm back from the eye doctor. My eyes are dilated. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, my key light that makes my face look not dark. See? That is kind of hurting my eyes. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it on, but we'll see. Yeah, so let's get back into this. Hopefully figure out what is going on here. Looks like we're probably going to just have to deal with this bug until something gets fixed. I did notice that my last stream was super choppy, dropping like almost all of the frames. And actually right now it's saying I've dropped a lot of frames already, so this is not good. That would be unfortunate. No, YouTube is not distracting me from the task. Streaming is distracting me from the task. So this is not good. It looks like it's fine, so I don't know. Maybe you just dropped a bunch of frames to be unfortunate. Oh, just kidding. Nope, it's not fine. No, YouTube is not distracting me from the task. Streaming is distracting me from the task. So this is not good. Yeah, I don't know. I could try and stop streaming and just stream to YouTube. Maybe that's what I should do. Here, let me just try one more. Just take a look at it once more. Here, it looks like it's okay. So let me open up my activity monitor and see if there's something weird going on. Maybe I should reboot my machine. I mean, OBS is taking a lot of CPU. Yeah, I'm not feeling getting a lot of memory pressure. I mean, I am using a crazy amount of memory, but it seems to be going fine relative to how much I've got. And my CPU usage is like not even half. So yeah, I don't know. We'll just hope that it works well. So anyway, coming over to live stream chat. This is where we do the chat. And let's get on this. Oh yeah, the other thing, the reason that I pulled up Discord was, here, I don't think that I've got anything open that y'all shouldn't see, but you never know. I wouldn't want to show private conversations or anything like that, so, because that would be unkind to the other person. Okay, yeah, nobody. I'm gonna just thread this. And see if they've got any feedback on that. Okay, great. So really using this page does not actually matter that much. It's mostly because we're not going to be working on this page all that much. It's mostly just making sure that it looks right. So I'm going to go ahead and move on from this. We've got localhost going. Whoop. So we just need to be able to land on this page, and we do need to be able to choose a city. Yeah, and see, then these go, and I'll be in the workshop and I'll just say, sorry, it actually does not work because we don't get to our proper whatever. We don't update the URL search params, which is a problem. But that is not the concern of our component that we'll be testing anyway, so it should be okay. All right, so coming back up here, we've got all these ULs, and now we can get rid of those in favor of this thing, our filter items. And then I hate doing this, but it's actually not too bad if it's in the same file, so that's probably fine. It's just like there's a layer of indirection there that like this has an implicit dependency that I don't know, but it's just probably fine. Okay, great. Then this UL is going to be a flex container with a gap of, what is it, 4 maybe? Where's my rocket rental designs? Let's look at that. I'm gonna take my shoes off. This is a lot more comfortable. Come on, Figma. Here we go. Search page. Yeah, so that is not showing me the distance. What gives? Okay, whatever. Man, I must not know how that works. Okay, so it's 8. So gap of 4 or 2. Yeah, let's take a look at what this looks like now. Yeah, sweet. So we've got our city right there. There's that thing. That should go above, or the filters are, all of these go inside of the filter button. So what that means, yeah, that's interesting. Radix has got to have something for this. This is, what kind of component is that? Is that a it's like a popover sort of thing. It's not a drop-down menu. Yeah, popover. That's what we're talking about. Okay, cool. So let's get this thing installed. Here, do it over here. And then, yeah, all of these. Yeah, honestly, it doesn't really make sense to make this a form, does it? I'd like it to work as a form. See, this should be a method get. It's interesting. Huh. That's in the router. Yeah, that's interesting. I kind of wish that it were just, it only accepted uppercase because they recently made that change themselves. But in any case, we are just going to stick all this stuff inside of a popover. Here, let's grab this import up here. Stick it right there. Okay. And then we say popover dot root. And then we've got a trigger, an anchor. What's it? Oh, the anchor. Huh, that's interesting. And the portal. Yeah, I'll just bring all this stuff in. Yeah, so the trigger funnel. Is there like a colander or something, like a funnel emoji? Come on, there's got to be a funnel emoji. Really? All right, emoji funnel. What do you have for a funnel? Tornado. Sure, tornado works great. Okay, and then content, close, arrow. What is arrow supposed to mean? What is arrow? Arrow. Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah, we don't have an arrow, so no arrow for us. And we also don't have a close. Yeah, we're gonna do a close. Okay, great. So then all of this stuff, except for the submit button, not sure what I want to do about that submit button. Well, here, we'll bring in the submit button, sure. Stick that in content. Boom. All right, there's our tornado, and there's our stuff. Beautiful. Okay, so that we stick this. Okay, where does the form go? I'd say the form wraps, yeah, these things. That makes sense to me. So with that, we need to have the form be side by side with these inputs. I think maybe I feel like those inputs should be in their own div. Yeah, that makes the most sense. So this will be a class name. That takes that and that and flex and gap of 4 maybe. Zoom in. Come on, what is that? 16. Great. Items center. And then the form also, whoops, goes in there too. All right, there it is. And then, that's tricky. Yeah, because we want these things to go below. Filter items goes down here. Okay. And let's give us this background stuff. I think that is our accent. Yeah, accent purple. So where is that trigger? Should this be a button? What is the trigger render? I'm sure that the trigger renders a button. Yeah. So we'll make this a span then. And class name, width, is this like a 64? Oh, come on. How wide is this thing? 88 by 88. Accent purple. Great, there we go. Sweet. And now, yeah, still need those dividers between these inputs. They sure look a lot better than they did before, though. Something I noticed is these dividers go all the way across. But that is not in the design. The dividers should have a little gap there, or like a, yeah, some space. Yeah, that's interesting. And since they don't give me the design for selection, that makes it a little tough. But I think what actually is supposed to happen, yeah, here it is we're supposed to, yeah, we're probably supposed to do rounded full. And maybe margin, no, we put the padding of 6 on this, and then here it was 2, I think. And then selected, yeah. Yeah, let's see what that does. Oh, that's interesting. Sorry, my eyes can't see very well. But yeah, it's making the divider curve. So that's unexpected. So I think the solution to that would be to wrap all this in a div. And then this thing, probably spent too much time refactoring something that might not work. Yeah, okay, so full. And then we want to have a little bit, oh yeah, those should be, yeah. So we'll do, get rid of the padding on here after all, and put it on here instead. And py of 2 and 2 there. See what that does. Okay, so that's interesting. The I definitely thought wrong. Okay, now almost there. We're just missing some padding on top. I definitely expected padding or a margin maybe. So let's look at our, oh, I gotta get rid of some console logs. This thing. That's interesting. Yeah, so the border, right, because it's a margin instead of a padding. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so I need padding on that after all. Okay, I think that is the way it's supposed to look. And incidentally, I'm pretty sure we're supposed to do the same thing here too. All right, I think actually, if we look at, there was the search icon thing on the home page. They have a design for that. Let's look at what light mode shows for that. Maybe that's kind of a hint at what this should actually look like. Is that in components? That might be in components. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that's right. They don't have a highlight. They have a highlight here, but they don't put one there. So what am I supposed to do with that? I don't know. Oh well. This is kind of a unique thing. I'm just going to make it up and do what I think looks good, and this seems to look pretty good. Ryan responded to me 15 minutes ago. I should have paid closer attention. Okay. Great, and then this pops up. Let's at least make that look semi-decent. So we've got a background here. Come on. Whatever that is. 500. Yeah, night 500, and rounded, most likely 3XL, and padding of, is it 4 maybe? No, 6. Yep, that looks pretty good. And then this, now let's look at what this looks like on mobile. Yeah, so there's just this filter thing, and all the stuff goes into the filter. Yeah, this is going to be interesting making this mobile work. Yeah, so this is more of a, honestly, this is more of a grid thing. And what is that gap? Yep, it is 6. Grid calls 2. And then we've got they do not have a design for everything. So they got capacity, charge, ratings, but I also have a trip start and end. So availability. There's my capacity, charge, and ratings. So I could have swore that we had a design for the date range. We do for sure for booking a ship. Yeah, here's the date range there. Yeah, that's the design for the date range. Radix doesn't have a date picker, does it? Date. Dang it. That's too bad. All right, so what that means is we're going to have a div here that will take the start and end class name, calls span2, and then the rest of these will be as they are. And each one of these also has a padding of 24 and a radius of 24, which is the same as this one. And isn't there something you're not supposed to do with a border radius? Something like if you have things nested, you need to make the smaller one like a different size radius or something. I don't know. Rounded to XL. We'll go with that. And BG, this is probably 14, huh? 600 then. Okay. Sorry, just responding. Okay. Sweet, that looks a fair bit better. This submit button is going away. Yo, right, I forgot the padding. Okay, cool. We'll deal with that, make it even better later. That's interesting. Aha, there you are. That's what's going on. All right, we'll go ahead and I want to turn these into fields, but they're not actually fields. Most of them are Yeah, we got a range selector. Yeah, see, they are not showing me everything that I need to see. Oh, man. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this is as far as this goes. Maybe I'll add a work in progress or something. No, we're not going to bother with that. It's fine. Yeah, it looks like we did find a bug with fetchers. That is satisfactory to me. It's enough for me to know that I'm not doing anything wrong, and that will be fixed eventually. So that's good. Yeah, sweet. And this is all that needs to be done. Is I just need to be able to show that you can type and search and all of that. So that's good. Okay. Whew. I kind of feel like I should finish this piece. We do have the no, it's actually no, not in ships. In host, we have the ships right here. This displays ships. And I think we could just borrow this. I'm going to just try it as a copy-paste thing, and then we'll see if maybe we can reuse. So we need the model. We need daily charge formatted. We need reviews. And average rating. Okay. So ship model brand model ID what oh yeah, so we got model brand ID and name, model ID and model name. Daily charge formatted would be a tricky one, and then just a length of reviews and its average rating. Okay. And that's ships. Okay. We need daily charge on the ship and reviews, but all we need is the average rating. Okay, I think we've got a solution for the problem, or a workaround, temporary workaround. And that is a should revalidate, which I will add later. Let's see, the tricky bit is these ships are actually coming from search ships. Ship average rating. Yeah, so we do have an average rating. And we do have a daily charge. But we do need it formatted. And I think that actually is enough. Oh, right, and we also need the model and brand. Now, I thought where are we? Yeah, we get all the models right there. And brands. So we might be able to just grab it off of that. And then the last thing is formatting. But if this is how we format it, then we actually can do that in the UI. Okay, so let's try this. Come back here. And let's get our model rules, model ID, data models, and our brand. Now that's interesting. Yeah, I think our models are going to need the brand ID. So come back up to our models. Okay, cool. All right, so then yeah, that's interesting. Dang. I guess we'll go with that. Okay, daily charge to local string in. Yep, that's how we're going to do it. I think that's how we do it over here. Yep. And that's fine in the UI. Beautiful. Okay, I'm pretty sure if this looks okay that we can use this. All right, it doesn't look terrible. Definitely could look worse. I think this is 384 by 528. Yeah, that works. Okay, so then it's just a matter of this being, hold on a second, why is this a fragment? No reason. All right, we can get rid of that fragment. Okay, so class name flex gap of 24, so 6 flex wrap, and justify center items center. Pretty sure that will make it look nice. Cool. Then we can get rid of this. That actually doesn't look too bad. Definitely looks a lot better than it did before. All right, so then what this means is we're going to come down here to where we're rendering all those ships. And we're going to make a component out of this guy. Ship card TSX. Okay, so we need, no key. Yeah, ship name. Who did that? Not me. It probably was me. ID is a string. Yeah, all that stuff. Reviews. We don't need reviews. We just, yeah. What do I do in here? I actually think we're probably better off borrowing this guy. Let's just make all these red things go away. Yeah, no, we'll just do this. Okay, great. Now, with all of that said, TypeScript, can you fill this in for me? Here, let's do it like this. Or not TypeScript, Copilot. There we go. Any, what is that all about? Come on. Name, string, ID, string, image ID, string. Okay, we got ship, brand, model, average rating, and yeah, daily charge formatted. String, number, ID string, and name string. Pretty sure that does it. No more red lines. Great, so with that now, we can say ship card. these are complaining. ID string, name string, brand, ID string. Yeah, or undefined. Heck with that. This is super not likely to ever happen, so we're just going to do this. Pour one out for my homie. Okay, ship. Average rating. Nope, that is not it at all. Ship, average rating. Brand, model. Oh yeah, this can be undefined possibly. Or null. Okay. That's interesting. So const makes it blue, let leaves it white. I'm not sure what to make of that, but yeah, it looks great. We forgot an MX auto somewhere. Maybe not with full. Does that look funny? No, it looks fine. No, it looks funny. Oh, that's interesting. No? There we go. I think that was a mistake. Yeah. Okay, great. We are definitely missing some things. Man, that's really annoying. Okay, let's fix that. Export. There, we're going to put this up by our loader. Where's the docs for this? Where's my should revalidate function? Okay, so what do we get here? Form action, that's all we care about. Return form action is search. That's it. That should do it, actually. This is a temporary workaround. Rats. Gosh dang it. Okay, let's start with the nuclear option. Yeah, so that is not working. That is really annoying. It's really annoying too because I combo box. Where's my console log? Okay. All right, here we go. So if we go with Starport, I just want to try this. Oh, there it is, Starport ID, boom. Okay, I just wanted to see that, even though I can't really see very well. So that does take me to the Starport, cool. And oh yeah, this ship card, we need to use that on the host page. Not shop card, ship card. All right, let's make sure that looks okay. I think that's the host. Okay, good. Yep, it looks amazing. Beautiful. All right, and then, yeah, this should revalidate is not gonna do it for us, which is too bad. Okay, so now let's just figure this out and then I can be done. So why is this? Oh, here, let's get rid of that console log as well. Console log. Oh, I did. Good. Yeah, we need to specify a border. And I believe it's probably just a pixel. Yeah, 1 pixel, and it's 4949. That's 400. And I also guessed on the, whoa, on the spacing. So we've got, yeah, 16 on the sides, 10 to the x. Okay, so our, yeah, on the sides that was 16 and 12 above, is that right? Yeah, 12, so 3, and then between these two, it was 10. So 8, I guess. 8 or 12. Go with 8. There we go. Okay, and then we need a little space here. 65, so eh. 16. And then from here down is 33. So 8. This has some padding on it, so let's get rid of that padding. Where's that padding come from? No, I don't want that padding. Who put that padding on there? I don't want padding on there. Yeah, it's not on the ship card. Yeah, get rid of that thing. Nah, don't need that. And on the host, yeah, this should be a UL. And this should be inside of an LI. Let's make sure that still looks okay. Yes, that is correct. I had it wrong before. Beautiful. That's interesting. Yeah, this is too short because it's missing the extra line in the title that these are. I think that means that's kind of what grid is for, isn't it? But I want them to be flexible. Here, let's height 100%. Sweet. And that was on the LI. No, it wasn't. But, dang it. Yeah, I think we can do that in the ship card. What does that do? Height and width full. Okay, cool. So I go here, I can go back, it's amazing. If I say brand, here's our brand. Boom. And our model, or here, where's the host? We don't do the host ID. Oh well, whatever. Model ID. That's interesting. The model ID isn't showing up in here. Model ID is not found. Oh, that's interesting. Did I do the wrong one? I think I did. Yep, there we go. Okay, great. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, there are definitely some improvements we could make here, but I definitely need to get to the next thing. So this is sufficient. We now can actually use it. We can search. There it is. Beautiful. You can turn off geolocation. And when you turn it on, it chooses the starport closest to you. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I think that's cool. All right, good stuff. With all that done, let's make sure the host is good. Yep. This is coming together, sort of. Got to get those icons done. Let's do type checking and linting, just so I don't push this up and instantly have to fix stuff. Oh yeah, boo, that's dumb. What? No. You should not be checking that. Yes, lint ignore. That's going to be in my package.json, I guess. Surprised I never ran into that before. Oh, here, let's run both of the tests as well. City combo box busted. That actually isn't a huge surprise, because I did change a bunch of stuff, so probably, yep, there it is. That makes sense. Yep, but our end-to-end test worked. Hooray! Yeah. How do I want that to look? Options. Text content. Maybe to match inline snapshot. That's what we're talking about. Let's do that. And actually, I don't want to match inline snapshot. What if we do just this? Nope, that won't work. It's got an ID. Yeah, I don't like it anyway. It's dumb. Bad idea. I instantly regret this decision. So back. Okay, I kind of hate it. Oh, just look for the role. Yeah, by its name. Yep, there we go. Will that work? Rats. Oh, accessible. Oh, sweet. Okay, so expect options to have accessible name. Try that. Maybe that will work. Maybe, depending on how well we implement that. Huh, that's interesting. That was a Copilot error. I think I just changed to that. Huh. That distance should definitely be the same every time. And it should be 142.67. Oh, I think I changed my latitude, longitude. That's the problem. And then this one should be, yeah. Yay! I love it. That is so great. I am super, super happy with that. Oh my gosh, so happy. Yep, good stuff. Design the search page. Okay, good. Now I've got to go. Thanks, everybody. Let's see here. Gotta stop this. I can say design part of search is done. Turn that off. And now, if we take a look at this, check this out. I'm third place because I did 3 different sessions today. Look at me. Awesome. All right. Thanks, everybody, for hanging out. I'm going to go. It is way past time to go hang out with the family. Bye.